In this video, I'll be teaching you how to crochet these flowers. This really is a simple project and doesn't take very much time at all. Be sure to stick around for the end of the video and I'll show you how I like to accent these flowers. In today's video, I'll be using a worsted weight yarn and a J hook. And the first thing I'm going to do is to create a slip knot. If you need to learn how to make a slip knot or any of the other basic crochet stitches, you can watch my video and I'll post it up top here to help you learn the beginner basics of crochet. Now we're going to chain 7, and after we've chained our 7, we will form a ring and attach the two ends with a slip stitch. Now we're going to want to make our 5 petals, and to do that we're going to be working inside of the circle that we created. To begin the first petal, we need to chain 4. Then we'll triple crochet 3 times into the circle. And then we're going to chain 4 again. And then we're going to slip stitch into the circle. Now you can see we've formed our first petal, and we'll just need to repeat that pattern for the other 4 petals. Chain 4, 3 triple crochets into the circle, chain 4 again, and slip stitch into the circle. As I get to the end of my last petal here, I'm going to go ahead and cut me a tail, and I do like to keep my tails kind of longer just because I don't know what kind of project I'm going to attach it to, so that way I have plenty of leftover yarn. Then whenever we do our slip stitch, we'll just go ahead and pull the yarn all the way through. We'll tie that off. I typically like to use a button as an accent piece for the flowers. I think it brings it together quite nice, and it especially adds flair to a beanie or a hat. These buttons up at the Dollar Tree, a lot of times they're found up by the counter and kind of hidden, but it's kind of an assortment of different sizes and colored buttons, so I always like to grab them and have those on hand. This particular flower, I'm digging this lime green button here. I'm going to use it. So just take a little bit of yarn and attach this button to the flower, and it's all finished, wrapped up and ready to go. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit that like button below, and I'll see you all in the next video.